If you want to delete your Base44 app, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it. This is a simple process, but you do want to be careful before confirming, because once the app is deleted, you may not be able to restore it. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Base44 app and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Settings option. Click on Settings, then select App Settings. This is where you'll find the controls for managing your app configuration and account options. Now, scroll all the way down through the App Settings page until you reach the section called Danger Zone. The name is there for a reason because this section contains permanent actions that can affect your app. In the Danger Zone, you should see the Delete App button. Click Delete App to begin the removal process. After that, Base44 will ask you to confirm your choice. Take a moment to double-check that you really want to delete the correct app, because this action is usually permanent. Once you're sure, confirm the deletion. The app will then be removed from your Base44 dashboard. And that's it. Your Base44 app has now been deleted. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one.